Yo, what up, Azam? What up, Fugaz? Yo, I know you are new around here, bro. What up, Sadiq? What up, Suvi? Woo, we got everyone here today already. Let's go. New sub to you. Looking forward to the journey ahead, and thank you for that. You do. No problem, brother. I got you. Let's go. Let's make some money today. We got Jolts at 10 a.m. today, so we do have red folder news. Jolts is okay. It's like a medium folder news. I'm honestly looking pretty bullish. I'm looking pretty bullish today. Thank you for all that you do. No problem, brother. Although we did sweep yesterday's previous London high, I'll be a little bit careful. I kind of want Asia high as well, though. Like, I want us to push like over here. So I'll be looking at that at market open. I want to see London sweep and then maybe shorts and price struggling to go lower or higher. This 4-hour gap and 4-hour OB. Yeah, I think that's definitely possible. Where's ES at? Oh yeah, ES is kind of big SMT, right? This is a big SMT, right? Yeah, so we swept this. It's a bit of an SMT at the moment. You see Discord, very clean, relatively equal high. I see Discord, I got you. Let's see. What's on Discord? Okay. Market, just mark some levels, Monk. What do you think? This is exactly how you should be drawing your charts, brother. This is how I like to draw my charts. Very simple, right? Just like direct targets, what you think is gonna be like the closest target we're gonna hit. So just like the only information you need, this is really good. Just like this swing high, right? The fair value gap that we're reacting off of. The swing low. So yeah, that's pretty good. That's exactly how I would probably draw my charts too, right? Market open, I want to see distribution higher and London sweep Asia and make higher time frame SMT. Yeah. We're definitely shooting for this London high right here, even though we swept the previous day London already. Monk, yo, 3XLs. I'm saying you gotta change your fucking name, bro. You gotta change your fucking name, bro. I can't be saying 3XLs on my feet every time I say your name, bro. Where do I even start? What do you mean? Where do you even start, bro? What do you mean? You said that you're gonna copy trade me yesterday, and if it's a loss, you're gonna do something, but it was a win. Are you gonna tip me, bro? Are you gonna send me money or something, huh? Yo, what up, Trade Breaker? Yeah, we might hit this before Mario Open. Yeah, I really wish that we didn't push just yet, but you know, it's kind of just whatever. I'll probably play there's a couple different scenarios at the moment. If we continue to push at market open, get a fair value gap, and just like I said, continue to push, I'll probably play longs because I still like longs into previous Asia session. If not, and we kind of immediately reject off of this London high right here, then I could probably see shorts as well. So just two different scenarios, just kind of whatever's cleaner and whatever we see happen. Yeah, we gotta adapt. We did inverse this 4-hour though somewhat, but we are pushing into the like a smaller 4-hour fair value gap, so I don't know. We inverse this big hourly fair value gap. Do have pretty decent targets to the upside. Yo, what up, Ray? So today is gonna be a little bit different. Today is probably a little bit harder to read price action. Every other day, but so far it's been pretty easy to read. But yeah, we'll see. But so far, like I said, we got 3 minutes to market open. I'm not gonna do anything right now. Just mess around. Does your candle move every second, or is it a little laggy? Yeah, it moves every second. It's just kind of slow right now because nothing's happening. Yeah, I think so. I mean, if you don't have the subscription, let's see. I don't know what the I'm on the essential plan right now. So like the bare minimum.
This boy comes from a poor family.
Oops, that's not mine. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I do like this push down right now. This is the best case scenario. Ideally, I honestly, I really like us pushing down right now, and then if we could get an entry at market open into these London highs, that would be ideal. I really like this actually. This is like the best case scenario. So maybe like we sweep something over here, and then continue higher, get an inversion or something, ride it into London highs. I like that. Yo, what up, Joel? How you doing? Ooh, guys, I am not too sure. Think about getting an Apple Vision Pro. What the hell, dude? If you're getting that, you ballin'. You are balling, bro. What the? Apple Vision Pro? Sheesh. Yeah, I know. I know there's a big SMT on the London high right now. Big SMT, but I still like logs. I'm not gonna lie with you. I still like it. But, you know, you just gotta play whatever happens. You gotta react to the market. We're not gonna be too greedy, I guess. Yo, what up, Duma? What up, Hokage? Oh, we got the Hokage in here. Holy shit. Hokage. Alright, let's see what Fugas has. If we sweep this internal liquidity longs, we'll be good. Yep. That's literally what I said, no? That was free. Good read. So me and Fugas thinking the same. Alright, let's check on what's going on Twitter, bro. What would your stop be in this case? I wouldn't be in this trade. I'm just saying. But I think potential stops that you could have is just swing low, probably. Either that or like the do we have a 5-minute anywhere? Not really any 5-minute. Yeah, honestly, like swing low is probably the best option right here for stops. Be like a 1.5 hour. I'm a smart money concept or ICT trader, but I only do forex. If you're doing forex, bro, and you're not trading futures, you're doing yourself a disservice, bro. Switch over to futures. Switch over to futures, bro. Actually, I don't know if I want this light to be on, bro. It's so fucking bright. Switch over to futures, bro. So we swept this to starting to react a little bit. If we could close above over here on ES, that would be decent for longs. That's why you wait for reconfirmation, I guess. Let me make a few friends. Go for it, trade breaker. Hey, go for it, bro. I got gym in an hour. Okay, Suvi. What's the advantage compared to Forex prop firm? For one, Forex prop firms are sketchy as hell, bro. Like they're not like they're all CFD futures. Like they could do rug pulls at any moment, and you can't. There's no regulation in futures. There's hella regulations going on because it's from a centralized market. In Forex, bro, you could there's like hella brokerages that just open up and they use like random sketchy ass fucking hey, what up, trader fan? What up? Okay, yeah, Mao. We got Mao as well. But yeah, futures is just a lot better. Also, the prop firms in the future space are a lot cheaper as well. In Forex, bro, you have to do 2 phases, 3 phases, or whatever bullshit to pass a prop firm. In futures, it's literally you pass maybe 1 eval and you're funded. That's it. And like the pricing goes from either $50 usually to like 100 for an eval. In Forex, bro, you're paying 500 minimum for like a fucking small ass account, bro. It's ridiculous. Suggest me a futures prop firm, bro. Which prop firm? I pass it one day, and it must also be news trading allowed. Literally all the ones that are right here. Tradeify. So look into TopStep as well. TopStep's probably the biggest one in futures. That is just the safest option. Right behind them is My Funded Futures and Tradeify. So if you've traded Forex, you're probably most familiar with Funding Ticks and My Funded Futures, because they both have Forex brothers and sisters over there. So in what do you call it? In Forex, it's Funding Pips, and then in Forex, it's also My Funded Forex or something. Let's see. I'll get into futures soon. Okay, I trade Forex too. Focus. I don't know what's up with it, but the CIC region. Everyone just obsessed with Forex props. What about Alpha? Alpha futures is decent too, I think. I haven't traded with them. I really don't know anything about Alpha futures. I do like this sweep though, man. That's a nice sweep at the market open right here. So we did sweep all this, but if we continue to sell off, I'd be very careful of shorts. Like, just don't long just because we like swept all of this, you know. That's not a good idea. Look at the charts, bro. Stop. Hey, Sadiq, I could do whatever, bro. There's nothing interesting going on for me to take a trade, bro. I'm bullish now. Yeah, we inverse this potential long entry, but I don't like how we're pushing too aggressively yet, because then I won't be able to get entry. Bro, have you ever heard of Nepal? Yeah. Nepalese people are bad as hell, bro. Holy shit. I want to visit Nepal though, 100%, bro. I'm not giving you order, boy. I'm just manifesting the rhythm. No, bro. Yeah, nothing too interesting at the moment. I don't really like this inversion either. I'm just gonna sit it out for a little bit. But if ES starts to inverse this, could be good potential long, but I'm not gonna take out an ES. You want to close now, go a little lower so you make it ICSD, yeah. Okay, so there's a bullish SMT at the moment on ES. Like ES is like a lot stronger right now at the moment. So ES about to close above. NQ is still so weak, bro. So if you were to take a trade at all, do it on ES because it is the stronger one at the moment. But we still have a stronger, higher time frame SMT at the same time, so personally, I'm flat. No, like Hokage, I meant like everyone's good looking in Nepal. That's what I meant by bad. The fuck is even going on in Nepal? It's like you have mountains high as fuck, and that's literally the whole point of Nepal, bro. That's like why it's cool, you know? Nepal is fucking sick. Visit the Himalayas and shit. I definitely do want to visit Nepal though. Ban him. Abhishek. I have no idea how to pronounce these names, bro. I'm sorry if I butchered that. Yeah, I got you. Come to climb Mount Everest. Yeah, I might have to hire like a Sherpa or something, bro. I'll like hire a Sherpa or something and then just like have them, hey, yo, can you help me climb Mount Everest? They're like, yeah, I got you, bro. The girls are also. I have some friends. Oh, okay, Sadiq, I see you. Okay, we're starting to inverse this. Nice. I don't know if I want to take a long, bro. Let me see. I don't think I should, bro. I think it's too early to tell. I mean, I do like these targets at London highs, but it's kind of too choppy right now at the moment. Yeah. I forgot my water. Let me see. Yeah, there's also news at 10, so we gotta be a little bit careful. Gotta be a little careful. We do have a lot of targets to the downside too, though, so we shall see. Like the most ideal scenario that we get right now is this. Like this is what I want to see. I want us to sweep London high and then go for London and Asia low right here. And get a reversal up here. Like that's the most ideal scenario. Honestly feel like it's gonna go down as soon as ES calm the fuck down with that bullish movement. I think so, yeah. I think we're just not going anywhere because NQ is really, really weak. Yeah, we might sell off, bro. Look at NQ, bro. Oh, starting to sell off. I have a 15-minute right here where we're inversing. cheapest way to get a feel with futures prop? I think my funded futures probably, they have like a, like, look into their plan. It's called the core account. It's like the cheapest one they have. And yeah, there's no activation fee, so it's like a one-time fee. If you pass your eval, then you get funded. I think it's a great starter account, so definitely one of the most popular ones. Yo, can you break down what makes smart money concepts? They're literally the same thing, bro. They're literally the same thing. People just call it different shit because they don't want to call smart money concepts ICT or ICT smart. It's literally the same thing. Instead of a breaker structure, it's like something else in ICT. I don't even know what ICT calls it. A change of character, right? Change of character is what ICT calls it, and then smart money concepts is like a breaker structure or some shit. I don't fucking know, bro. It's literally the same thing. People hating on ICT. I'm hungry as shit, bro. These are the worst sessions to trade when ES and NQ are not correlating at all. ES is pushing, NQ's like barely even pushing. Maybe it's waiting till 10 a.m. news and then we're gonna start pumping. Yeah, I think that's possible. There's nothing. Pretty garbage session. How much has... This open has been stuck in a 65-point range, bro. This is horrendous. Yeah, potential. We could wait till 10 a.m. news, but like you see how we have all this like low resistance liquidity right here. Like I was honestly thinking we just shoot immediately up at market open, and then we get a short opportunity. Never got it. So I don't know. Nine days is plenty of time. Yeah, 9 days is plenty of time. There's no need to rush it. Check actually. I think we could probably wait till 10 a.m. news. Look at, we're just chopping in here, bro. This is terrible. Got a limit short at 743, or yeah, 473. Okay. Be careful though. We could end up pumping, so just be careful. I hate limit orders, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Do you have any no 5 minutes? 15-minute we're kind of holding. No fair value gaps. That's also a good sign that like the market ain't doing shit, is if there's no fair value gaps at all. We're starting to push though a little bit, so see if we can continue to push. ES about to inverse this though. Holy shit, this is terrible. Oh my god. See, now NQ is the stronger one, ES is the weaker one, bro. What the hell? Yeah, it's terrible, bro. Yep, 14 minutes till news. Well, you know what we do during that time? We don't look at the market, and we just check Twitter, bro. That's literally all we do. That is what you're supposed to do. What the? Wait, where is this? Holy shit, where is this? Looks like Italy? Yeah, potentially. Portofino. Portofino, what the? Okay. Yeah, we have a lot of European guys in here, huh? Pretty funny. North Korea, yep. Yep. What the fuck? What up, Josh? Thank you for keeping the good work. Okay, we finally break it down. Goddamn. Are my streams lagging? No, Netherlands. Okay, well, just seeing this is looking a little bearish now. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking a little bearish. But who knows? Maybe we needed a sweep before. So maybe potential sweep. If this isn't a sweep and we just continue selling off, I'd probably just see short first. But if we immediately shoot back up like this, potential long. Oh, I like this reaction though, I'm not gonna lie. Netherlands is kind of expensive, no? Like my internet's tripping, but my Wi-Fi is super fine, bro. I don't know if it's your internet, bro. Everyone says it's fine, bro. I really do like longs now, I'm not gonna lie. If we could close above over here. But I don't know if I'll take an entry. Yeah, this is such a big stop, bro. If we close above over here, it's a small ass fair value gap, but yo, what up, Chris? Yo, wait, Chris, wait, were you watching our live streams like way long ago, like a couple months ago? I recognize the name, Chris, right? Christopher? Hold on, I think you were like an OG, bro. Yeah, I think I missed my entry, but honestly, I'm gonna give it a stab long and have my stop below here. I'm going half size. This is very low size for me right here. Welcome back, Chris. And then let's see, potential break even could be at this swing high right here. If ES could close above this inversion, that'd be pretty good. $97. I am in, yes. Well, although I think maybe I was a little too hasty. We'll see. I think we just needed to break above on this. Yeah, I think I might get stopped, but I think we needed to close above on ES first for it to work. Small fair value gap right here. Let's see if we hold it. If not, I get stopped out of the trade. I am in half size though, so that's fine. I think I was too hasty though. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped. Okay, so I got stopped out on this trade. I'm gonna give it one more trade, but I am locked out for now. First loss on stream in a while, bro. That's unfortunate. that's unfortunate. Yep. This is why you guys don't copy trade me, bro. GG's though. We get one more trade opportunity to see. I'll let you down on this one. Hey, not every trade's gonna be a win. But this was definitely my fault for entering too early. I was waiting. I was hoping that ES would just close above. But we're kind of getting held down right now, so we'll see. 6 more minutes for news. Got the hearts. Technically, stop loss is down here still, but it's too wide of a stop for me. I'm not comfortable with that. So we just reevaluate, find another trade, and yeah, we'll see. Good stuff. Joel didn't enter. Very choppy today though. But yeah, P&L right now on the Apex accounts, I'm down 345 times 10, and then Tradeify I'm down 332. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. That's trading, you know. Still, like I said, I still got one more trade in me. And we'll just see what happens. If it is also another loss, that's definitely enough for the day, and we go on to tomorrow. Man, I gotta post this fucking loss later. No. But hey, it was a good long stretch, bro. The reason I like this was we got really bullish momentum through here, and we closed above all this chop. Usually you'd get a lot of follow through straight immediately, but I think, like I said, even though we got like a candle closure here, first of all, this isn't even a strong candle closure, so this is already my fault. But then I should have waited another second for this candle to open, and we didn't really do anything, right? And just sold off, so I think I should have just stayed flat right here. But yeah, I'll just keep my P&L up so you guys can see. Unlucky. All right, we got news in 3 minutes. News in 3 minutes. That's a little unlucky though. Yeah, let's see what happens at news, but it is Jolts. Jolts is, like I said, a little decent move. So if we continue to sell off though, that could also, like, on the higher time frame, we do have a bigger SMT on the higher time frame. So maybe we're bearish actually. Let me check on that higher. I don't know, the 15 minute or the 5 minute and like the 15 minute looking really bearish. I think we just sell off at market, at the news candle. How much are you, dude? I don't make shit from the affiliate codes, bro. I make like, was it $10 on a really good fucking week? Yeah, I don't make shit. Not yet. One day though. I put a stop loss this time because usually I don't. Yeah. I think we just sell off at the news candle, bro. Yeah, I'm already reviewing this last trade. I don't know why I took this, bro. I think I just got a little... Like, I was wanting to enter off of this candle, if anything. But I was already too late on it. And I think at that point, I should have just set it out. The other day, you had like 28 viewers live. Did I? Sheesh. Yeah, we're trying to get to 50 viewers live now. That's the hope. Yeah, I think we just sell off, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This is not looking the greatest for anything else. All right, 20 seconds for news. 15. 10 seconds. Wait a couple minutes after the news. Hopefully it clears some stuff up. You long on ass? Good luck, brother. Okay, that's kind of super underwhelming on news. Honestly, I'm happy with a $300 loss on the day. If that's all it gives us, then that's all it gives us. I'm not gonna force anything else. Like, I'll still take another trade if it presents itself, but like I said, I'm not gonna force another trade if it doesn't happen, you know. Like, just going into the day, the price action was already kind of weird to read. Where's the move? Yeah, we are not going anywhere, bro. Holy shit. Okay, starting to inverse this. Bit of another SMT at the bottom right here. Bullish SMT. But there's like no clean inversion at all. I don't like any of this. Well, we're back at entry on the other trade, unfortunately. We still have so much like liquidity higher, bro. Like, I really want to see higher, but we're just not getting any follow through. How big was my stop on this trade? It was like 20, 30 points. Enter along if you break and retest. Nice. Up $200. Let's go. If we get a retrace at least right here and then just continue higher, but I honestly wouldn't like to see a retrace at all. I just want to see us push right now. He longs in NQ. Okay, good luck, brother. I'm still waiting for like some better setup. I don't see shit over here, bro. This is unlucky. It could work though. We have so many targets on ES that this could just work. Look at my entry, guys. This is unlucky. I bought the top, bro. Look at this shit. I bought at the top. That's unlucky, bro. Alright, there's break even. If I think about this trade, then I should not have take that. PA is so shit, yeah. Hey, you take the trade, all you have to do is take profit or stop loss. That's all it is. You did everything you could. That's the best we could do. ES still has hella targets, but NQ's about to take these London highs. I don't know. No payout for you today? Hey, there's always tomorrow. There's always next week. There's always a couple weeks from now, right? No need to rush anything. Yeah, usually we get some nice moves on NASDAQ and NQ, or sorry, ES, but like today has been a little bit different. Today's been very dog shit. We're kind of in a 70-point range so far. Yeah, I was literally about to re-enter too, but I think I needed to cool off a little bit after, so we'll see. Hopefully we can find a bit better trade after London high gets sweep. So I'm thinking potential reversal as well. So we'll see, we'll see. There's a retrace back into here though. Alright, see you later, food guys. Like, ES does not want to push, bro. We have such good targets right here. But it's refusing to go higher right here. Usually we just blast through here, but a little bit slow right now, a little bit hesitant. So I think I might look for a reversal play if we get it. Yeah, Deity, we are down on the day, bro. Unfortunately. I got one more trade in me, but I want to see us push up into London highs and potentially go lower, but we'll see, we'll see. No goon, no win. No gain, no pain. No, you mean no pain, no gain? If we get a strong candle closure, I think I might look to re-enter. But we'll see. I'm not too sure if I want to take this though. Well, it's too late now. You low key look like Ricky. I don't even know who Ricky is. Yeah, bro, gooning is probably the most important aspect of successful trade. Good night, bro. Closing in 250 bucks. Hey, good night, good night. Okay. I expect us to push even higher on NQ now. If ES is bullish as well. Ricky, well, ooh, Ricky. Who the fuck is this shit? Who is this? Are you saying that because I'm fucking Asian? Huh? Huh? Motherfucker? Huh? Alright, good stuff, Joel. What a good shit, Thix. TP hit 2.5 hour. Good day ahead, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still waiting for like a better trade, bro. Not gonna lie. ES still has so many targets. It's looking good, but like I'm scared because of London highs on NQ. I don't know if we sell off or not on NQ. To be honest, bro, you're cute for real. What the fuck? What the hell? What the hell? You're kind of giving vibes like my younger bro. Okay. All right, bro. You vouch? If ES could just break through all here, could potentially reach London high, and then NQ would go higher. Let's see, potential targets on NQ are still, yeah, still have 484 to push past if we're bullish. Bro, Vietnamese aren't Asian. Yeah, but like, you just call me some random other Asian guy. He doesn't even look like me, bro. I'm like 10 times more handsome than that guy, bro. Come on, bro. What the fuck? I'm joking. That was a joke, by the way. You know, if you couldn't tell. Oh shit, can we get a fucking move, bro? Fucking missed the only other move right here. Come on, long holding the tree. Now come all the way fuck down, bro. Let me get an entry. You're losing your patience. About to start gambling long on ES, bro. Hey, don't fucking do that, bro. Like I said, I'm more than happy just to take my L on the day and walk away and trade tomorrow. But if we get a trade, then I'm okay with that. But if not, shit. Holy shit, we kind of dumping though. Oh wait, okay, so there's a 5-minute right here. I actually really like this kind of 5-minute. If we close below, if we continue to sell, I might take a short. Oh fuck, I think I missed my entry. Well, I'll give it another stab short. Like I said, it's my last trade for the day. And yeah, we'll see what happens. It's my only other trade for the day, and yeah, if it's a loss, it's another loss. We just end the day pretty red. But I do like this momentum to this 5-minute though. After sweeping London high, ES can't really seem to push past. Oops, I forgot. Bro, I should wait for candle closure. I did. I did wait for my candle closure. ES is looking kind of bearish though, I'm not gonna lie. You're Asian, I trust you. I don't know about that, bro. Okay, well, we're kind of pushing up a lot. It's not a good sign, but fair value gap, see if we can hold it. Gray box, there we go. So this gray box, the 5-minute fair value gap, and then we're retracing back into this 1 minute. I would like to see a push lower here. I'm in another 5 micros. I have bigger stops today though. Ideally, we just tap the 50% right here and just sell off, but I don't know. We just have to see. Where did I learn ICT? I watched the ICT mentorship, and then I watched Justin and Warline and some other YouTubers, and that's how I learned ICT. I watched two ICT playlist mentorships. I watched the 2016 one and then the market maker one. Oh shit, I'm about to get stopped. Oh my god. Oh, this is a fat loss on the day, I'm not gonna lie. Fat loss on the day. Unlucky. Alright, well, their stop loss hit, and I am down fat on the day. Unfortunately. You guys watched me take 2 L's on the day. Unfucking fortunate. And now I gotta make a Twitter post about me taking L's, bro. Fuck. Okay, well, unfortunately we took 2 losses on the day. Kind of sucks, but I think looking back, what could I have done differently? This first trade right here that I took, a little bit hasty. ES was still kind of bearish at the moment. I believe over here, because we didn't close above on this inversion right here. So if I were to go back, probably wait for ES to close above over here, take this trade instead. Not only that, ES didn't close above this inversion. Or sorry, no, NQ did close this above this inversion, but I should have waited another second or two. So this candle closed above, but this next candle immediately shot back down. Just say you didn't trade on Twitter, and we would pretend you didn't have seen it live. Yeah, nah, dude. Gotta share the losses and wins. And then the second trade, potential trade, I was thinking right here, but it was a little too sketchy. So I didn't enter, but just unfortunate. Because then ES, I should have been a little bit careful because ES swept this low right here. So maybe I should have gone break even. Now it's looking really good for longs on ES right here. So we inverse this on ES right here. This is looking really good for longs now. But like I said, I'm done for the day, unfortunately. This is a really nice expansive inversion right here. We kind of held this fair value gap too, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, potential longs still. But yeah, that is it for me. I have to post my fat L's now, unfortunately. Hold up. But that is going to be it for the stream, unfortunately. Tomorrow we is gonna be back and we gonna bounce back stronger, bro. I'm not gonna let this shit demotivate me. Unfortunately, it is a loss. Whatever, you know. We're back on the grind. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow and then Friday as well. Today's Wednesday, right? Yeah, today's Wednesday. I will see you guys Thursday and Friday. Hopefully we could grind back. Maybe I should have gone even lower size today. I'm not gonna lie, but hey, it is what it is. I will see you guys later. Peace.